Hey there, history buffs. Welcome to another exciting journey through time. Today, we're heading to the vibrant and beautiful island of Jamaica, a place known for its stunning landscapes and rich history. From its early indigenous roots, where the Taino people thrived, to its colonial past under Spanish and British rule, to its rich cultural heritage, vibrant music, and the hard-fought journey to independence, we're going to explore the fascinating and diverse history of Jamaica in just 3 minutes, so buckle up and let's dive in. Our journey begins with the Taino people, who were the original inhabitants of Jamaica. They lived off the land, cultivating crops like cassava and fishing in the island's pristine waters. In 1494, Christopher Columbus arrived, claiming the island for Spain. This marked the beginning of European influence in Jamaica. The Spanish rule introduced new crops and livestock, transforming the island's agricultural landscape. However, it also brought diseases that devastated the Taino population, leading to a significant decline in their numbers. In 1655, the British captured Jamaica, turning it into a profitable colony under their control. The British focused on sugar production, establishing large plantations that relied heavily on enslaved labor, shaping the island's economy for centuries. The British relied heavily on African slaves for labor on their sugar plantations. However, some slaves escaped and formed communities known as Maroons. They fiercely resisted British rule, preserving African traditions and culture. The abolitionist movement gained momentum in the 19th century, leading to the end of slavery in 1834. The former slaves, now freedmen, faced new challenges, but continued to shape Jamaica's cultural and social landscape. The 20th century saw growing demands for self-governance. In 1962, Jamaica gained independence from Britain, with Alexander Bustamante becoming the first prime minister. This marked the beginning of a new era of national pride and development. Jamaica's cultural impact is immense, particularly in music. The island gave birth to reggae and iconic figures like Bob Marley. Jamaica's influence extends to sports as well, with athletes like Usain Bolt making their mark on the world stage. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the rich and diverse history of Jamaica in just 3 minutes. We've only scratched the surface of this island's incredible past. From the ancient Taino people and their unique traditions, through the intense colonial struggles to the triumphant moment of independence and beyond, Jamaica's story is one of resilience, vibrant spirit, and a profound cultural impact on the world stage. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing history content. Your support helps us bring more fascinating stories to life. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of history. One love, everyone.